Today we are making restaurant style masala kadhai paneer at home with an easy and simple recipe, but the taste will be perfect. Hello kitchen queens and kings, welcome to my channel Gina in the kitchen. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's quickly move on to today's recipe. So here on gas I have kept a kadhai or a pan, and in this first we'll roast 1 teaspoon of whole coriander and 3 to 4 whole red chilies. It will give a nice aroma to our gravy. So just after roasting it for a minute, I'm taking it out, and now we'll grind it in a mixer jar and we'll use it later. And now in same kadhai we'll add 3 tablespoons of desi ghee or clarified butter. And ghee is hot now, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 cup of onion paste. These were 2 medium size onions. And we'll let them cook on medium flame till they change their color to golden brown. And it will take 3 to 4 minutes, so we'll stir them occasionally. As you can see, onion paste is properly cooked now. So now I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of chili ginger garlic paste. We'll mix it once and let it cook for just a minute or two. And now it's time to add tomatoes in it. So here I'm adding 3/4 cup of tomato puree, which is made of 3 large tomatoes. And with this we'll add 1 finely chopped tomato. We'll mix it once, and now we'll add dry spices in it. So here is salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Salt you can adjust according to your taste, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. And this is red chili and coriander powder, which we roasted in the beginning. We'll mix it properly and let it cook on medium flame till it well cooked or oil gets separates from masala. It will take 5 to 6 minutes, so we'll stir it occasionally. And now our masala is well cooked, so I am adding 1/2 cup of chopped capsicum in it. We don't want our capsicum to get soggy, we need to keep it crunchy only. So we don't need to cook it for long, we'll just mix it with masala. And now we are adding 2 tablespoons of curd in it. It will give a tangy flavor to our kadhai paneer masala. We'll mix it once and let it cook for just 30 to 40 seconds. And now I am adding 1/2 cup of fresh malai in it. If you don't have malai, you can use Amul cream. Let's mix it again and we'll let it cook for more 4 to 5 minutes. And after cooking it for 4 to 5 minutes, our masala is ready now. You can see the color. So now I am adding 1 cup of milk in it. Milk will give a creamy texture to our gravy, but if you don't want to add milk, you can replace it with water. Now we'll boil the milk with masala for 3 to 4 minutes. And our gravy is ready now, and it's smelling so good. So now it's time to add paneer. So it is 500 grams of paneer pieces. Let's mix the paneer with gravy. And now we'll cover it with lid and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. And after cooking it for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame, our masala kadhai paneer is ready to serve, and it's smelling so good. I can't wait to taste it. So we'll serve it hot with roti or naan. So do try it at your home, and don't forget to share your experience with me in comment section. Subscribe my channel for more such easy tasty recipes, and don't forget to tap on the bell icon too, so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video or a new recipe. So that's it for today. Bye bye for now. We'll catch up again really soon.